This is Brittany. She's going to show us what they do when you bring your car in for service here at Munkins.
Putting my gloves on, new pair per customer.
I keep these in my car, keep this in my car.
And we're just gonna wipe down the touch points of your vehicle. So we know that you touch your armrest here, opening and shutting the vehicle here with your latch. I will do the outside door handle as well. Wiping down the steering wheel. I wipe down the handles here for the windshield wipers and the blinkers because they do check functionality of those when they do the multi-point inspection. And then I wipe down your shifter and then also the center console just because the technician will probably have his arm there. So since we don't have to, it's just a fob, push button start. We're gonna have you go ahead and put your key fob in that envelope there. Seal the envelope when you're finished, and if you can just put it back in your car, then we never have to touch your key fob either.